Welcome to our guide on the best silicone pacifiers for newborns. If you're a new parent or looking for the perfect gift for a baby shower, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be showcasing some top-notch options that are not only safe and comfortable for your little one but also designed to soothe and comfort. Choosing the right pacifier can make a world of difference for your newborn's comfort and your peace of mind. Check out the product links in the video description to find the perfect pacifier for your little one. Number 1. Itzy Ritzy Silicone Pacifier. Introducing the Itzy Ritzy Silicone Pacifiers for newborns, a perfect blend of comfort, safety, and style for your little one. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, these Sweetie Soother pacifiers are designed to provide a gentle touch for newborns and beyond. The soft and durable symmetrical nipple shape ensures a soothing experience, even as your baby starts teething. Safety is our top priority, which is why our pacifiers are tested to meet stringent ASTM standards. The single-part design features a collapsible handle and 2 extra-large air holes, offering added safety and peace of mind. Plus, our pacifiers are PVC and BPA-free, making them a worry-free choice for your baby. But it's not just about safety and comfort, our pacifiers are also stylish. Each set of 2 comes in coordinating colors, agave and succulent, with an adorable cable detail on the collapsible handle. These cute designs are perfect for matching with your baby's outfits, making your little sweetie look even cuter. Elevate your baby's essentials with Itzy Ritzy's 100% food-grade silicone pacifiers, combining top-notch safety, comfort, and style in one delightful package. Number 2. Chicco Soft Silicone Pacifier. Introducing the Chicco Soft Silicone Pacifier for babies aged 6 months, a soothing and supportive companion for your little one. This pacifier is designed with your baby's comfort and health in mind, featuring a 100% silicone one-piece construction that is BPA and latex-free. The exclusive nipple design positions your baby's tongue forward to maintain an open airway, which is crucial for physiological breathing, especially during sleep. The unique angle and lateral curve of the nipple evenly distribute tongue pressure across your baby's palate, while tiny ridges and an inclined shape guide proper tongue placement. These features help support your baby's growing palate and teeth, making it an excellent choice for their overall oral health. For added comfort, the nipple is made from extra soft silicone with a satin-textured finish to help keep the pachi in your baby's mouth for uninterrupted soothing. Ventilation holes promote air circulation and reduce moisture buildup on your baby's delicate skin. Plus, the easy-to-grab handle ensures both you and your baby can hold it with ease. Number 3. Tommee Tippee Silicone Pacifier. Introducing the Tommee Tippee Silicone Pacifier, the lightest one-piece silicone pacifier ever designed, perfect for your little one aged 36 months. Made from 100% BPA-free, medical-grade silicone, these binkies provide the ultimate combination of safety and comfort. The symmetrical nipple design ensures that the pacifier is always the right way up, offering consistent soothing for your baby. Your baby's skin deserves gentle care, which is why our pacifiers feature air holes that allow their skin to breathe, preventing irritation and ensuring maximum comfort. These lightweight pacifiers are designed to stay put in your baby's mouth, so you won't have to pick them up repeatedly. Available in 3 age stages, 06, 6-18, and 18-36 months, these pacifiers are perfect for growing babies. The pack of 4 ensures you always have a spare on hand. Choose Tommee Tippee silicone pacifiers for a reliable, lightweight, and skin-friendly solution that makes parenting just a little bit easier. Number 4. Mam Silicone Baby Pacifier. Introducing the Mam Silicone Baby Pacifier, specially designed for newborns aged 3 months. Crafted from 100% lightweight silicone, these pacifiers are 32% lighter than competitive one-piece pacifiers, making them the best choice for breastfed babies. The symmetrical shape ensures there's no right side up, so it always fits perfectly in your baby's mouth, allowing for easy breathing and fuss-free comfort. The one-piece design meets the American Academy of Pediatrics recommendations, guaranteeing maximum safety for your little one. The extra soft shield features 4 large air holes, ensuring your baby's sensitive skin stays dry and comfortable. Plus, the unique MAM shape leaves plenty of room for your baby's nose to breathe, adding an extra layer of comfort. Choose the MAM Silicone Baby Pacifier for a lightweight, comfortable, and safe option that supports your baby's natural sucking needs and provides peace of mind for parents. Available in a pack of 2 in a lovely girl-themed design, it's the perfect addition to your baby's essentials. Number 5. Dr. Brown's Silicone Baby Pacifier. Introducing Dr. Brown's Silicone Baby Pacifier, designed to soothe and comfort your little one aged 6 months. This set of 3 pacifiers, available in a charming trio of white, pink, and light pink, is made from soft, lightweight 100% silicone, providing gentle yet durable comfort for your baby. The Happy Pacey's unique bulb design mimics the shape of Dr. Brown's bottle nipple, making the transition from bottle to pacifier seamless and familiar for your baby. The contoured, butterfly-shaped shield curves away from your baby's face, offering plenty of room for their nose, chin, and cheeks, ensuring maximum comfort. The breathable design, with strategically placed holes in the shield, allows for airflow to reduce irritation on your baby's sensitive skin. Choose Dr. Brown's Silicone Baby Pacifier for a trusted, comfortable, and hygienic solution to keep your baby happy and soothed. With a design that's easy for babies to accept and easy for parents to clean, these pacifiers are a must-have in your baby care arsenal. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.